The Red Crescent Society concluded a 3-day workshop on the role of the Gulf Cooperation Council countries regarding the repercussions and risks of climate change at the Gulf and international levels.
The workshop, held in cooperation with the International Federation of Red Crescent and Red Cross and the General Secretariat of the Gulf Cooperation Council, with the participation of a group of Gulf national societies experts in climate change and risk and disaster management. The details follow with our reporter Abdullah Lachmi.
During the 3-day workshop, many presentations and programs shed light on the importance of combating climate change and the role of civil institutions in reducing carbon emissions.
We are wrapping up a workshop organized by the Kuwait Red Crescent Society on the impact of climate change and the GCC and national response. As the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, we're extremely grateful for this ongoing collaboration with the Kuwait Red Crescent Society to raise awareness of the impact and seriousness of climate change, and hearing from all the expertise locally and in the region. Their work has just been commendable, and with a record 339 million people in need of humanitarian assistance and protection this year, and the climate change being a main driver for displacement and food insecurity, this kind of ongoing dialogue has never been more imperative.
The goals of the workshop were the best way to involve individuals into environmental awareness programs, to increase awareness by using social media platforms, as well as organizing lectures and training programs that can get people involved directly in initiatives, with many local and international institutions participating in the workshop.
Today we have concluded the activities of the climate change workshop for the GCC countries. We have had several guests from several GCC Red Crescent societies, such as Oman, Bahrain, and Saudi Arabia. We have also had guests from the ARCO, the Arab Red Crescent organization. In addition to that, this workshop actually is in collaboration with the United Nations office here in Kuwait, in addition to the IFRC.
The workshop also drew attention to the importance of tending to preserve the components of the environment by raising awareness and training national cadres. Meanwhile, the director of the Public Relations and Media Department at the KRCS, Khalid Zaid, said the workshop came up with important recommendations to build bridges of cooperation with governments and international organizations to ensure readiness and humanitarian response for climate-related hazards and disasters.
As the workshop is concluding here today, everyone is hoping to see a greener planet for the next generations. This is Abdullah Al-Ajmi reporting for KTV2 News.